Okay. The Fourth Amendment constitutes that you have protection over your possessions. Yes? Yeah. Okay, so in the case of Greenwood versus California, the property was on the curb. So on the curb, you're giving that protection more to a third party being the trash collector. Those trash collectors took responsibility that you let them take the responsibility of your property as you placed it on the curb. So you lost that property and the responsibility and expectation of even having the property in your possession in your possession. So as the trash collectors gave it to another party, it was no longer your ability. Any questions?
Yeah, so what was the police's reasoning for going through the garbage?
The police had a tip and they believed that there was narcotics in the home of
No.
The Fourth Amendment did have an idea of some kind of privacy when he puts it out on the step, when he has to wait until garbage day, whenever that may be, for the garbage collector to pick it up. Until the garbage collector picks it up, or somebody else takes it for whatever reason, it's still his property because it's on his property. And the police went on hearsay, the tip being hearsay, something somebody said, is technically not enough evidence to get a warrant, which is why it didn't get taken to the judge. There was no warrant because there was not enough evidence. So the police officer that investigated the garbage did not have enough evidence and should not have done it.
He has something to hide, that's why you're
No, because those are not my clients. I'm not familiar. Those are not my clients' narcotics. They are not. We don't know whose they are. They could be his, which they aren't. They could be somebody else who just drops them in the garbage. People drop garbage all the time. People go through garbage, as everybody has seen. People go through the garbage.
For rebuttal, we would like to say the hearsay comment would work for the police as probable cause, give them a reason why they should go there, as well as furthermore, through our research, Baron Shaniff, an Attorney General and the Counselor of Solid Waste Association, says that your Fourth Amendment does not govern property that is open to the public and given to a third party. Thank you.
If there was enough evidence to have them go on a tip, why didn't they have enough evidence to go to the judge and get a warrant? Why did they have to do it under the table? If there was enough evidence, I think the police were afraid that the judge would have turned them down for a warrant and would have dismissed the case. And the case actually was dismissed off the drug trial. The drug trials were dropped.
why you didn't take
What you gonna do?
Hey, calm down. Let's take it to court.
So, thus, there was not enough evidence, and the police did the very sneaky thing, went under the table and did it, and there's no proof that these narcotics.
That's my case, Your Honor.
It was under the table while it was in the public property.
why?
So, in reason, it was given to another party. You were expecting it for the trash collectors. So we were just simply working with the trash collectors to find more evidence off probable cause. Nothing sneaky about that.
Did the police officer that went on the tip see my client went based on the hearsay, see my client put the narcotics in his garbage can? And even though it's on public property, you should still get a warrant, even though there was not enough evidence for it. Even though you say there was, you get a warrant.
It's public property.
Go ahead.
If it's public property, I think the right, especially given the consent from the third party that I was given to, the trash collectors, if we take it from them, I don't see why we need your say.
If it's public property, you're saying this is public property, how do you know that my client put those narcotics in there?
We do
If
not
it's
know,
not-
we're simply examining what was in the trash bag that was on public property.
So if it is public property,
Alright, yo, chill out real quick. We're done.
Out of here.
Thank you. Thank you both.
I'm here the representative of California State, and we charged Greenwood with possession of narcotics because they were in his trash bags, which were put outside on public property. So therefore, he did not want them anymore, and if he had something to hide, he could have kept them in his house. And the police got permission from the trash collectors to take the garbage bag. So therefore, people who were like originally supposed to collect the trash gave it to someone else. So the police did not even want the one because it was on public property, and because they got permission from someone else.
Had evidence, right? So if they had enough evidence to go through the trash and they had good solid proof evidence, why didn't they ask the police? Why didn't they ask for a search warrant if there's enough evidence?
I think that they didn't ask for a search warrant because
So you're telling me you had good evidence, right, to go through the trash. But if you had good evidence, why didn't you ask for a search warrant? Wouldn't have that made it easier?
well, the police in California State stated.
Hello, Your Honor. Okay, the Fourth Amendment does protect your rights, and the police is basically discriminated my client because they just had a suspicion that that's discrimination. And the police, all they had to do was go to the judge and get a search warrant. But instead of suspecting it, well, how can't you just go to the judge? They wanted the evidence to be like visible in court. They could have had a search warrant because like there's no fingerprints on it, so you can't tell if it's my client or anybody else's. Because you never know. So you could go in the trash and just put it here. Because like when you have the diamonds, you just put it in the trash and you're not trashing it.
So what you're telling me is anybody could have gone and put the drugs in your trash. So you're telling me basically your trash is public property? And like I got you. So what kind of drugs was it? Was it medical marijuana? Was it marijuana you distributed? Was it personal marijuana?
My client did not put that in there, so
I didn't ask you that. That wasn't my question.
call.
You wouldn't have a problem. So you wouldn't have nothing to hide. How come when the police were going to your trash, that was a problem? Did you have something to hide? So you tell me you had something to hide.
It's not a problem. I have nothing. My client has nothing to hide because it's not.
So why are we here then?
Because the police did not follow the Fourth Amendment.
Really?
Yes.
But you just said that your trash is public property. So once it becomes public property, public refers to anybody. That's my check because we're a part of society.
Basically, it's still a part of my property, well, my client's property.
So the rebuttal.
With our suspicion, we went through the trash bag and the suspicion ended up being true. There was narcotics inside the bag, and they are his. Basically, they're from his house. So whatever's in those bags is basically his. Like, if he's responsible for whatever is in those bags because he lives there and he put it out on his own.
So how long does it take to get a search warrant? Didn't make that. 3 days.
3 days. It's not in plain sight for you to suspect that. Like, you just suspect it because of the client's house.
The trash bag was.
It was a dark.
You need to know something was going on in their house. If you have prior history to know Mr. Greenwood, so you knew Mr. Greenwood before. So could you say that you were fighting against Mr. Greenwood if you knew him before? Okay. Suspicious here. Just happen to be going up and down the street every day. Just go ahead.
Yes.
It was the drugs just happened to end up in the garbage.
Yeah.
Is there any proof that? Is there any proof? Did you see somebody put the trash in the garbage? Did a hobo come by? How can the hobo have drugs if they don't have money?
Some people litter. Some people litter to pick it up. some people litter and they could have picked it up and threw it away. Or because like, people just.
Much more, it would have been much more difficult if we had Miriam.
We said we rule in favor of the state.
We won. Good job, Greenwood. You did well. The state. Better luck next time, guys.
Okay, thank you. Court.
Taylor said go.
Here's the reason why. Taylor had a fantastic argument. Good job. Solomon, you did well. You came in strong, buddy, but you started slacking near the end.